Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. Today we will read the chapter The Three Tortoises. The Three Tortoises, chapter 5, and you can turn to page number 4747 of your English book. Now, from the name of the story, we can understand that the story is about three tortoises. Do you know what is a tortoise? See, here picture is given. These are the three tortoises and the story is about all three of them. So, let us now begin our story. A father tortoise, a mother tortoise and a baby tortoise lived together in a tiny house near Srinagar. So, a father tortoise, see here father tortoise, a mother tortoise, she is the mother tortoise, and a baby tortoise, this is the baby tortoise. So, all three of them lived together in a tiny, means a small house near where? Srinagar. One fine day, Father Tortoise said, "Let's go for a picnic. I hear there is a beautiful lake in Srinagar called the Dal Lake. People come from all over India to see it." What did the Father Tortoise said one day? One day, Father Tortoise said that, "Come on, let's go for a picnic. I hear that there is a beautiful lake in Srinagar called the Dal Lake." What was the name of the lake? What is the name of the lake? The name of the lake is Dal Lake. Yes, Dal Lake. People from all over India come to see this lake. What a good idea, said Mother Tortoise. Now, Mother Tortoise, see, they are talking. Yes, here we can see in the picture that they are discussing. Mother Tortoise said, "Yes, what a good idea." "Hooray!" shouted the baby tortoise. "Let's go at once." The baby tortoise is very happy, very excited. He's very excited. The baby tortoise is saying, "Hooray! Very good, very nice. It's a nice idea. Let's go at once. We have to first make some chapatis and some chutney," said Mother. "When we are ready, we can leave." Now Mother is saying, yes, baby, we will go. But first of all, we have to make some chapatis and some chutney to eat along with the chapati. And then when we are ready, we can leave. The three tortoises got busy and made some chapatis and some tasty chutney. Now, the three tortoises, all three of them, they got busy. They started making the chapatis and some chutney. They packed the food into two small tiffin carriers. You know what are tiffin carriers? Yes. Tiffin carriers are the utensils in which you can carry your lunch or tiffin or yes. So this is called tiffin carrier. So they packed the food. After the food was made, after the food was prepared, they packed the food into two small tiffin carriers. How many? Into two small tiffin carriers. Father and Mother Tortoise went out of the kitchen to collect some other things. Now, after completing this work, Father and Mother Tortoise, they both went out of the kitchen to do some other work. Father Tortoise packed his pipe into his pocket and put on his walking shoes. Now, Father Tortoise, he packed his pipe in his pocket of the pant, and then he put on his walking shoes. Yes, the shoes which one wears while jogging or walking, doing a morning walk or an evening walk. Yes, or an evening walk. So, the Father Tortoise put on his walking shoes. Mother Tortoise put her spectacles in her bag and wrapped her shawl around the shoulders. She took a large blanket to sit on. Now, Mother Tortoise, what did she do? She put her spectacles. Spectacle means specs. Yes, one which we wear in our eyes. So Mother Tortoise put her spectacles in her bag and put a shawl around her shoulders. She took a blanket also along with her to sit, so that when they go for the picnic in the in the field or in the garden, wherever they sit, they put the blanket and there they sit. Come along, baby, she shouted. It's time to go. Where are you? Mother is shouting now. Come along, baby, it's time to go. Where are you? In the kitchen, mother, replied baby tortoise. The baby is replying, I'm in the kitchen, mother. Well, bring the tiffin carriers and hurry up, said Mother Tortoise. We have got a long way to go. Now mother is suggesting the baby to come early because they have a long way to go. She is saying, okay, as you are in the kitchen, so bring both the tiffin carriers with you. Means the two carriers. Mother told baby to bring the two carriers. Baby tortoise was busy stuffing his pockets with some nuts for the journey. Baby was busy in filling his pocket with some nuts which he thought he would chew in the journey. He picked up a tiffin carrier and rushed out of the kitchen. See, look now, what did he do? He picked up a tiffin carrier. Means he picked up one tiffin carrier. How many tiffin carriers were there? 2. How many were there? 2. But what did the baby do? Mother asked him to pick up both the tiffin carriers. But what did he do? In a hurry, he picked up only one tiffin carrier and rushed out of the kitchen. The 3 tortoises went out of the front door and along the garden path. So now the 3 tortoises, they went out of their front door and along their garden path they started walking. Father Tortoise was careful to shut the gate. Father Tortoise was very careful in shutting the gate. He carefully shut the gate after they came out. After they were out of the gate, they went along the main road, keeping well to the side. Means they walked along the path, and they were very careful that they walk at the side of the road. They were very careful that they walk at the side of the road, not in the middle of the road. The tortoises walked and walked and walked. The tortoises, as we know that the tortoises are very slow creatures. Yes, we all know that the tortoises are very slow creatures. So they walked and walked and walked. They were continuously walking and walking and walking. After about 6 months, at 9 o'clock one morning, the tortoise family stopped for a rest. Means after 6 months had passed, one morning at 9 o'clock, the tortoise family stopped for a rest. After walking continuously for 6 months, one morning at 9 o'clock in the morning, they were tired and they sat down for taking a rest for a while, in order to rest for a while. After another 6 months, they finally arrived at the Dal Lake. After resting for a while, they started their journey again, and they walked and walked and walked, and after another 6 months, they finally arrived at the lake. Now, tell me, students, after exactly how many months did they arrive at the Dal Lake? After exactly 12 months. Means it took a whole year to reach to the Dal Lake. It took them a whole year to reach to the Dal Lake. As they are very slow creatures, they walked continuously for 12 months, means 1 year, and then they arrived at the Dal Lake. Oh, how beautiful it is, exclaimed Father Tortoise. Now, after arriving at the Dal Lake, when they saw the lake, the father exclaimed that, oh, how beautiful it is. Look at the pretty flowers, said Mother Tortoise. Mother Tortoise said, just look at the pretty flowers, how pretty they are, how beautiful the flowers are. Baby Tortoise found some small stones and began to throw them into the water. But after a while, he became bored with his game. So, Baby Tortoise, he found some small stones and he began to throw in the water. Can you see here water? Yes, this was the lake. This is the blanket mother had bought with her to sit on. And see here lake, and baby found some stones here and he started throwing at the lake. But after a while he became bored with his game. Let's have our picnic lunch now, he said. I am hungry now, baby. He was very hungry. They had walked for many months, no? So he was hungry and he told mother, let's have our picnic lunch now. Father Tortoise spread the blanket out on the grass. Mother Tortoise began to unpack the lunch. Father spread the blanket which mother had bought. Yes, on the ground, on the grass he spread, and mother began to unpack the lunch. Means she began to take out the lunch. So, today up to this much, you try to read the chapter at home.